Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I want to check for duplicates in Canvas assignments. And I'm almost calling this an audit of my assignments and my Canvas module. It's not complete, but I'm just kind of showing you what I'm looking for just a second. Notice that I have, and you might have a hard time seeing it here, but I've got a module going from January 25th through 31st, and then I've got a February 1st through 14th module. And I have categorize these according to dates. I think that's a good thing to do to kind of check everything. Notice that I have one item in the January 25th to 31st, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the February 1st through 14th. So let's go to modules just for a second. Let's go to modules. Where are we? Modules. Thank you, modules. Up at the top where it should be. Notice that I have one item due, and this is just click here. These are just directions for the assignments. But notice that I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 items outside of the directions. I had 5 items in assignments. So notice that everything that's in assignments is not necessarily in modules. It's only there because you put it there. Now what I want to draw your attention to is this trial quiz honor lock plus webcam. So let's go back just for a minute to assignments. And let's notice that I have the trial quiz honor lock plus webcam. It's worth a couple of points. But also notice that I have another honor lock trial quiz online. It has a green published check mark, but yet it's not in the modules. Well, it's not there because it hasn't been put there. And in addition, it is a duplicate. I made this as a dummy assignment just to hold a spot until I got a real actual trial quiz deployed. So I want to actually delete this. So that was only a placeholder. So that's the moral of the story, is to organize your assignments in the categories by dates possibly, and that will help you make sure that you have deployed everything, and it'll also help you understand if you have any duplications. And when I say duplications, one of them may actually be a functional quiz. The other one would be like just a placeholder that would be used like for a paper quiz in a class. All right, that's a little bit trifling, but every little bit helps. That's what I think.